How to write the English alphabet in an easy way.
Letter P. Uppercase P. Hold down. Back on the top, around, and in. Lowercase p. Hold down. Go back to the middle, around, and in. You're amazing! P is for pizza. Parrot. Pumpkin. Pig. Piano. The next letter is letter Q. Uppercase Q. Pull back around, curve and pull up, around close, and slant cross. Lowercase q. Pull back, around up, and pull down. Awesome work! Q is for queen. Quail. Quill. Quinoa. Quetzal. Let's jump to the next one. The letter R. Uppercase R. From the top, hold down. Back on top, around in, and slant out. Lowercase r, hold down. Back on top, around over. Wonderful! R is for robot. Rabbit. Rainbow. Rooster. Rose. Okay, let's move on to the next letter. The letter S. Uppercase S. Pull back, around, down, and around up. Lowercase s. Pull back, around, in, back, around, up. What a star! S is for star. Snake. Sun. Spider. Strawberry.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel.